Hi guys, this is a follow-up video based on my last blog post about all these different sewing compartments of your machine. Today I'd like to demonstrate to you how to set your machine up before you get started with sewing. You will need cotton as well as a bobbin casing which has been wound up and a pair of scissors. To get started, I will simply be removing my extension table. I'd open the door of the bobbin and then simply add the bobbin, the wound up bobbin inside. If you do not know how to do this, you can follow my next post where I'll basically be demonstrating how to add a bobbin casing. You can simply then lock it in. You'll see there's some extra material, extra cotton. You close it. Then, next you'd lift up the spool. You'd add your cotton onto the spool and you'd simply guide it as your machine indicates. Guide it all the way around. If your thread lever does not appear over here, you can simply turn your balance wheel towards yourself and you'll note that it does appear. You can then just follow the instructions. There's a small hook at the bottom over here which will guide your thread. I use my scissor to cut off the end of the cotton so that I get a nice sharp piece and it's easy to go through the hole. Okay. Like this. I'll then leave my cotton over here. Once that is done, I will basically, while my machine is still off, I'll be pulling my cotton, pulling my balance wheel downward, and once the needle has come up, I will then continue pulling my thread until it makes a little bubble at the bottom. You should then have two threads that you're working with. I'll just cut off the excess, which will both be pulled through backwards before you get sewing. At this point, I'll make sure that my dowels are all correct. So I usually stitch on A, which is a simple stitch. It's a straight stitch at 3 lengths apart. Once that is done, you can simply add in your material, put down the lever, turn on your machine and start sewing. I hope this video has been beneficial for everyone that's watching. Feel free to leave your comments in the section below.